Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 Microsoft Store error code game is currently not available in your account. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Store Apps, click Run the Troubleshooter. Add your Microsoft account. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Apps. Type Store in search bar. Select Microsoft Store, click Advanced Options. Click Reset, Reset. Sixth method is type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Exit and restart system. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy third command from description and paste it. Fourth method is, open any browser. Type Media Creation Tool in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Click Accept. Click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.